What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So I had my hands on with the Google Pixel 3a and the Google Pixel 3a XL in a controlled environment. So in this video, I'm going to show you retail unboxing of the device, the Google Pixel 3a XL only. It was a controlled environment, so the lighting was not that great, and I did the best I can, and I'm going to give you my thoughts about the device. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. In my short time with the Google Pixel 3a and the Google Pixel 3a XL was interesting. Let's go to and unbox this retail unit. On the back of the box, it's very unique. It has Team Pixel logo on the back with the full image of a phone. And on the front of the box, we have the standard look that we all seen before. So once taken off the top, it reveals the Google Pixel 3a XL in all its glory. But all we get in the package this time is a power cord, an adapter, and a power brick. No Pixel buds on this box. So as I held this device, I instantly noticed that it's a nice chunky device with no notch, but a huge forehead and chin. Let's go over the device. On the right side, there's a volume up and down and a nice pretty power button. On the top of the device is a return of the headphone jack, also with a mic. On the left side, we have our SIM slots. At the bottom of the device, we got USB Type-C and two speaker holes. Maybe one of them is for voice calls and one of them may be a speaker. And in the back of the device, we have a single camera with a LED flash. So let's talk about the specs. We have two sizes here, 5.6 inch 1080p display on the smaller model, and we have a 6-inch display 1080p on the larger model. With the Snapdragon 670 processor with 4 gigs of RAM, we get 64 gigs of internal storage with no SD card support. On the rear, we got a 12 megapixel camera and 3000 milliamp battery. And we have 3 colors on this one. We got just black, clearly white, and we have this new purplish type color, the one that I have right here. So let me give you my impression about the Google Pixel 3a and the Google Pixel 3a XL. I mean, it's an okay device. I mean, it's nothing spectacular about the design of the device. I mean, no notch, which is a good thing. We're hearing good price points with this phone. I mean, I will leave all the links down in the description as far as current price points. But as far as the look and feel, it feels kind of chunky. It does have a huge forehead and chin. But I mean, this is stock Android, and of course it's going to come with all the latest and greatest Android 9.0 and all the stuff in between. It's supposed to bring some unique features to the camera as far as night sight, but that's well to be determined. But overall, I mean, it's an okay device for a mid-ranger. We have the new 670 processor with 4 gigs of RAM, so it should be a speedy device overall. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and first impressions of the Google Pixel 3a and the Google Pixel 3a XL. Stay tuned for more coverage on this device. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Listen, I want to apologize in advance for the shakiness of the cameras because I was in a very controlled environment. Let me know what you think down in the comments about the Google Pixel 3a and the Google Pixel 3a XL. See you guys on the next video. Peace.